This Bitcoin pattern is expected to break out anytime soon. And this pattern is absolutely crazy because the official breakout target is all the way up above the 60k level. Now, I do not think we are going to be reaching these levels very easily, but definitely this breakout will be massive. We are currently still trading in between this massive resistance and massive support zone. And the question still remains, are we going to be breaking this one out towards the downside and test our next support level? Or are we going to be breaking this one out towards the upside and test our next resistance level? Now for that, we exactly want to be having a look in towards some longer term charts to better predict which direction we are going to be taking. But first of all, as always, having a look in towards the imminent short term, well, we are currently still range trading. And actually the short term is going to be very important to have a look in towards, because the short term will have a lot of impact also on the longer term. If we are going to be once again retracing back towards the downside and break this support level, once again test this support level, which is also going to be this support level for the longer term, well, in that scenario, the more times we are going to be knocking on this door, the more likely we are going to be to actually break this support level towards the downside. And that is going to be very important for the longer term, because that would invalidate, of course, this cup and handle pattern, but that would also mean we are going to be breaking this whole range towards the downside, and we are going to be testing our next support level, which is going to be the 21.4k level. Now, in my opinion, it is not going to be very likely that this scenario were to be playing out, that we are going to be breaking towards the downside. I think it is going to be more likely that we are actually going to be breaking this one out towards the upside. And if we have a look in towards all the charts, well, the charts actually look quite bullish at this point. So that is also going to be the reason why I do think we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside and test our next resistance level, which is going to be coming in at about the 27.7k level. So do keep that in mind. We are seeing a daily bullish divergence right here at this point. We are seeing a liquidity grab down below our support level, which of course liquidated a lot of people that were long in the market, and right now in the end of the day also caused a lot of trapped shorts. We are seeing a hidden bullish divergence being formed, as well as the MACD is about to cross a bullish, and every single time this has basically happened, it indicated a very good buying opportunity. In the past couple of months, we can be seeing that whales are back at these accumulation stages. The funding rates are looking very bullish for crypto, and at the same time, everyone is actually kind of bearish in the market, and we of course do know that the majority is always wrong, so probably we are going to be seeing this bounce. And for the longer term, of course, well, we are in these last stages before the big Bitcoin bull run. Definitely we can be saying that we are in this disbelief stage. So yeah, in the longer term, we are looking very good. JP Morgan is also expecting that no further rate hikes will be happening this cycle. And they even said they are going to be predicting a rate cut happening next week, which will be absolutely massive if that were to be happening. Now, I do not think it is going to be very likely that that is going to be happening, of course. Having a look in towards the odds, that is not going to be very likely at all. But do keep in mind that beginning next year, well, we are going to be expecting that these rates will be getting cut again, and this is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. So having looked at all of these bullish signals, is there any reason to panic right now in the market and to really become bearish at these levels? Well, in my opinion, there is not any reason right here just yet in the market. I think we are going to be very likely to be holding this support at the very least, and in the longer term really create a very nice bounce towards the upside. Now for the imminent short term, definitely have a look in towards this short term range. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, have a look in towards this 27.7k level next. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the downside, have a look in towards these lows next, which is going to be coming in at about the 24.8k level. And for the longer term, we will really be having a look in towards this pattern right here, because if we were to be breaking this one out towards the upside, we are going to be breaking back above the most important resistance level for Bitcoin. Definitely this resistance level and previously around support inside of the bull market has been one of the most important and one of the strongest levels for Bitcoin. And if we can be breaking above this one, we'll definitely do expect a huge pump being created towards the upside. So yeah, very simply, just trade the markets right now level to level. That is just the best strategy right now in this choppy price action. Now next week, of course, we are going to be seeing this rate hike decision being made, so that will be very important, and we will be having a look in towards this actual decision a little bit later next week. So be sure to be updated about every single market development and follow me on Twitter. And with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.